Hello, and welcome back. So today was supposed to be putting on the rock guards, but to do that I have to be under the car and it's very dark under there. So to get enough light, I actually have to have sunlight, which means the garage door has to be open and the sun has to be shining. And right now it's like 35 degrees outside and the sun's not shining, so that's not happening. By the way, it could have happened yesterday, except I didn't have the tools I needed. By the time I went to the store and got the tools and came back, the sun was no longer cooperating. So anyway, hopefully that'll be next week. So today I'm just going to do a quick one. I'm just going to put some chrome metal knobs over the rubber plastic knobs on the well, over here. If you look, these are the metal knobs. And as far as I understand, this one goes over the air conditioning thing, and apparently they just push on. Boom. This is pretty easy. Anybody can do one of these. And then we got them for the volume and the tuner for the radio. I'm sorry, infotainment system, because we're too fancy to have radios these days. And again, they just push on. So I would call that the world's easiest mod, and I will, in the description down below, I will put the link to, I bought these off of Amazon. I'll put the link, although as always it won't be a live link because I'm not an Amazon partner. I'm not a YouTube partner yet, so I can't do live links, but there'll be a link you can copy and paste. Very straightforward. I can do that. Okay, another video we got coming up is, if you see the radar detector has this wire hanging down here. I bought a tap wire where I can tap into the mirror power. So I will be doing that probably the next time I can't do the under the car if the sun's not shining. So next week, if the sun cooperates, we'll do the rock guards. If the sun does not cooperate and the weather does not cooperate, we'll do the hardwiring the radar detector to the mirror. So that's it for this week. All right, good short one. We like short ones. So I'll see you next week with, again, either the rock guards or we'll be doing the hardwiring the radar detector. Have a great week, everybody. See you next time.